sleepy train. Can you hear that? You've got a train to catch. It's waiting on the platform for you. The sleepy train. Steam and smoke billow around the tracks. All aboard! The train driver pokes their head out of the window. It's an owl who gives you a wink. You climb up the steps into the train carrying your bag. A pigeon wearing spotty pyjamas and a conductor's hat coos, "Tickets, please." You hand the pigeon your ticket. He checks it and raises a wing, directing you down the carriage towards the cabins, giving a polite nod as you pass. You notice each cabin has a name. Knitting Kittens, Pixie Hollow, Fairy Fox, and look, here we are, your very own cabin with your name on the door. Oh, this is exciting. In you go, closing the door behind you with a clack. Ah, it's lovely in here. You have a comfy bed, neatly made up with a cosy blanket and soft, squishy pillows. Oh, it looks so snuggly. On the other side is an armchair with a plump cushion, a small table with a little lamp, filling your cabin with a warm glow of golden light. And the picture window, letting in a golden sunset as evening draws in. You flop into the comfy chair as the train pulls away, lurching gently forwards, out of the station, through the tunnels to a destination far, far away. You know this journey will last the whole night long, with stops on the way, and you'll be there in the morning. So now you can just relax. The train gains speed, clickety-clack, out into the countryside onwards. Out of the window, the light fades from orange to purple twilight to deep inky blue, and the sky begins to twinkle with stars around the half moon. As the train hums and bumps along, you yawn. A snoozy, sleepy feeling that tells you it's time to get ready for bed. You pull the blind down on the door of your cosy cabin and take out your pyjamas from your little bag, which still feel warm from the cupboard. You pop them on, along with your socks, the softest socks ever, which keep your toes toasty. Then, sinking back into the chair, you take out your flask of cocoa, pouring yourself a steamy cup of sweet chocolatey velvet. Sipping hot chocolate tastes delicious and fills you with warmth from the inside out. The train trundles on. You turn off the little light. Now you can look out the window and see so much more of the night. You see a town's twinkling lamplights over the fields, leaving it behind to go over a bridge, across the river, the water sparkling, still and silent. Then curving up round the mountain and down into a dark valley where the clouds sit low, like a mystical fog floating by. Tiny pops of light glow and flitter around. Fireflies, dancing, playing. Yawning, you doze, head gently nodding, eyelids drooping, little puffs and bubbles of air escaping your lips. You hear the faint announcements of the stops the train is making through the speaker. And the stations pass by, one after the other. Barely awake, you snuggle blissfully into your bunk, warm and cosy with a cuddly teddy. Yawning again. The train continues its easy journey, drifting through the night, with cotton soft puffs of choo-choo steam carrying you towards your destination. Clattering slow and steady, your eyes feel heavy, your breaths in rhythm with the train. Sleep is your destination, and you are well on your way. Good night.